Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the run I2C EPROM variable code on one FPGA board. Okay, so the first things we will create the quarters project, and this is our quarters software. Okay, quarters software. So we click the new project visa, and this is a new project visa. Okay, we click the next. The working directory, and we put the project under this folder. Okay, the project's name we call it I2C EPROM. Okay. The top level design entry in previous video we know is the I2C top. Okay, it's I2C top. Then we click next. Click next. Choose the empty project, and we will edit our files. Okay. So it is into this folder and upload is this one, okay. Top module, user module, and driver module. Open it. Okay, click next. So we use a cyclone, and here choose QFP, and here choose this one, and here choose this one. So you can setting it according your FPGA board, different FPGA config. Okay, so next, and finish. Okay, waiting it finish. It creating the project. Okay, so next we will click this one to do the analysis and synthesis. Okay, it's compiling. Okay, so now it passed the analysis and the synthesis. So next step, we will do the pin config. Okay, we will do the pin config, pin planner. Click there, click it, and then waiting a moment. So we will setting our pin clock, LED, reset, I2C clock, I2C date. So for our board, our setting is like this. So clock is pin 23. So we just copy it and paste to this position, pin 23. And this is I2C clock is pin 104. I2C clock is this one. Okay. And the next is I2C data. I2C data is this one. Okay. Next is reset pin 30 is reset. Next is LED. LED is here. Okay. So the I/O standard we use the 3.3 volt LVC mouse. So paste. Okay, so we just close it. It will automatically save. Okay. So next we will do the place and route filter. Okay, double click here. It's running. Okay, so it passed the filter, place and router. So next we will do the generate the program files. Double click here. It's running. Okay, it's done. So next we will download it to our FPGA board. So program the devices. Double click this position. Okay, so this is our USB blaster. This is JTAG star. Okay, it's finished. Now let me open my camera to see the actual result. So you can see the LED is blinking. Okay? And this is EPROM, and this is EPROM, and this is ground. This is ground, and this is VCC 3.3 volt, and this is I2C interface connected to the EPROM. Okay, it's blinking. Okay, this is our FPGA board. This is JTAG interface. This is power supply, USB power supply. Okay, so that's it. So this is I2C EPROM, FPGA driver I2C EPROM, and we running all the code on the board and verify the code is correctly. Okay, so that's it, and this is Michael, and see you next time. See you.